A single minute is all that it takes to make this much money. Yep, you heard that right. For every 60 seconds, you can make that amount of money again and again. First off, I want you to go on to youtube.com and look up for motivational video. From there, you'll get a bunch of results posted by other people that have gotten millions of views. Before you jump into any conclusions though, let me just say that note, we don't have to create your own videos here. This method won't require you to have a camera or YouTube channel. But I do want to show you this best kept secret on the way that you can make big bucks with other people's YouTube videos. Check this out right here. This is one of the motivational video results. As you can see, it has millions of views. Over in this video, it's got millions more views. There are just so many people out there who are seeking this type of content and these kinds of videos. So now I want you to choose 3 different videos from the search results. That's it for step 1. For step 2, I want you to go to uii.io. On this website, you can earn PayPal money and get paid every single time that people click on your unique link. The whole idea here is really quite simple. You only need to create a free account on the website, then you simply just need to shorten your link. And I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a second. So when you've got your shortened link and get people to click on it, you'll get paid in PayPal money. This is exactly how people from all over the world are getting paid real money every single day. You get paid per click, and depending on who's clicking on your link, you'll get paid varying amounts of money. For example, when people from the United Kingdom click on your link, you're gonna get paid $7. And then when people from the Norway click on your link, you're gonna get $5. You can take a look at all of the different rates right here on their website. Now let me go over it again. They have the same concept, which is to shorten your link. Get people to click on your link and you can get paid again and again. That's our strategy. Go to YouTube and find 3 different videos. From there, we'll just have to click on the share button and copy the video link. But instead of just sharing this YouTube link, we are going to go to uii.io to shorten this link. Remember what I said about you earning money from people clicking on this link? Now the number one question is, how do you actually get people to click on your link? And more importantly, how do you get visitors and traffic? Now we come across the issue. How do you get people to click on your shortened link? This is where I come in. I've got this copy and paste script all written out for you. And you can just use this when you need to convince people to click on the link that you just sent them. The title of this script is Motivate Yourself to Never Before. And here is the whole script right here. You can just copy and paste it and then simply enter and insert your link into this column. As you can see here, just copy and highlight the entire script. Now let me show you how to sign up for a free account. All you've got to do is just click on this button to sign up for free. Then that's going to take you to this page where you can register for free. All that you've got to do is just type in your username, your email, and your password. Now once you've logged into your brand new account, what you're going to see is all of this. Basically, you'll be shown to your stats over here. You can see how many clicks you're getting and how much money you're receiving every single day. Now, of course, if you're logging into a brand new account, you see 0 right there because you still haven't shortened any links and gotten people to click on them. I want to show you this exact example now while using a brand new account. so that if you are watching right now, you can exactly copy everything that I'm showing and start earning PayPal money. All you've got to do now is click on this button that says New Shortened Link, and it's going to open up this box as you can see here. What you're gonna do now is go back to YouTube. This is the first video that I selected, right? So now, all I've got to do is just click on the share button and copy this YouTube URL link. Then I'll just go back to my dashboard and paste the link right here into this box. Under alias, I'll just put in motivational. Then right here, I'll just click on the shorten button, and as you can see, it's just going to automatically help us to shorten this YouTube link. Now, this is a special UII.io new shortened link, and whenever people click on this link right here, they're going to be taken to YouTube. They're going to start watching this video, and with that, you get paid per click. Now, you just have to copy the shortened link right here and just have to go back to our copy and paste script, and then scroll down and look for this selection. Then paste the script. Now, we'll just have to repeat the same exact thing by moving on to the second column to put in the second link, and we'll do the same with the third video. With this strategy, the more links we put up, the more money we'll make. When you've got all the links in order, just click on File, then click on Download, and download this document as a PDF on your computer so you can start using it and posting it on this last website that I'll be talking about. Now we're on the final step. This is the step where you get a bunch of people clicking on your shortened link and get a lot of free traffic. Just go on over to slideshare.net. On this website, people upload different documents and things like slideshows to share different information with other people. Here I pulled up this example of a document and the slide that people upload to slideshare.com. You can sign up for a free account here. All you've got to do is click on the sign up button right on top, and that's going to take you to this page. Here is where you can sign up for a free account. From there, you just have to click on the upload button right on top, and it's going to take you to this page where you can upload a file. That is where we're gonna upload the PDF file right here on slideshare.net. Now, Slideshare.net has over 160 million monthly visitors, and there are a lot of people that come over to this website looking to learn something new. So this is really the perfect place that you can share this document for free, where other people can read them to get free value. And if they happen to want to learn more information, you can click on your link and start watching the video you link them to. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.